We're a youth project, an inclusion project that uses circus as a way of bringing young people with and without disabilities together. We're going for nearly 30 years now. With the support of an amazing team of volunteers, we've been making a difference to young people in Swansea for a long time, and getting people to try out things they've never done before, getting groups mixing together and having fun, and doing dangerous things they've been told they shouldn't do before because, you know, circus is dangerous. So that's kind of what we do. The grant that we'll get from Hanfod Cymru is going to be essential because it's going to allow us to employ a volunteer coordinator. All these lovely people you see behind me here, they all give up their time for free, and we need to make sure that we keep our volunteers trained and that they have all the necessary paperwork, but also that they're motivated and that they're supported. And we need to go out there and recruit more volunteers all the time. So it's going to really make that a much easier, manageable task.